Guys, Jai Hind all of you. This is Amardeep and be welcome to all. First of all, what are you doing now? Telling me, telling me, telling me on comment section. Yes, guys, if you have many more doubts, then your doubt is clear only you. Yes, I mean your doubts clear only you guys. Yes, because it is your duty to solve it. Yes, because in our whole life, some works, I mean some works related to your life, I mean our goal, related to our goal, our life, that is basically impact and grateful work. Yes, so do it with positivity, with 100% positivity. Yes, because guys, if in this time we more more like cool like not any stress, not any tension. Yes, it means like what is going on in your life. Yes, so always be cool and uh, uh, coolness, actually coolness is a part of our life. Yes guys, if you take a proper decision for your life, yes, no anyone to say, I mean no anyone to ask uh, related to your future. I mean just a few days, yes, just a few days ago guys, I in my mind I thought like more irresponsible, irresponsibility, like what is going on in this time my life. Yes, what is the type of I mean what is what is doing by me, approx positivity mind. Yes, what is take what take a decision related to good decision. Yes, so that time particularly guys, fully confused. Yes, I fully confused, I had fully confused that time. Yes, so if you face this type of problems, then guys, know anyone to ask this type of question. Yes, know anyone to ask. mm, Take a proper decision with yourself. Yes, take proper decision with yourself, because this is the your life. Yes, it means like more energetic and coolness life. Yes guys, so avoid all thoughts related to that type of. Yes, now guys, let's talk about our daily routine session, I mean daily conversation guys. Yes, first of all we discuss about particular topic related to war. Yes guys, actually today's is time 13th of June 2025. Yes, and guys, the latest news is 13th of June 2025. uh, Guys, Israel, yes, Israel attack on Iran. Yes, Iran, because Iran has many more doing work related to developing his uh, nuclear power. Yes, nuclear power. Yes, atomic nuclear bomb, like he almost complete he almost complete guys. I mean Iran basically, if you watch my um, back on wall, I mean wall map, if you see that, then Iran Iran, actually guys, I am not laughing more highly guys, because no, this is not good for humanity. Yes guys, but guys, in this time actually there is a very big war, and actually I think thoughts like on my mind, like uh, uh, some problems which is I face in my family background. Yes. And guys, that particular वो होता है ना डर डर टाइप का, that same like guys, that same things like in this time USA. Yes, USA, like Donald Trump. Yes, USA President Donald Trump. He says, I am not involved. He says on Iran. Iran. Yes, he says on Iran, I am not involved in this war. So, oh, you remember it and don't hit my places, my person, my places, my person, uh, my areas. Yes, he says like that type of many more thoughts like what is the level, what is the mentality level of what is the mentality level of USA, guys? Think about it. think uh, think about it. What is the mentality level of his he says around May, yeah, May, yes, May 2025. He says Trump, I mean we're talking about Trump's, guys. Yes, he says we we ceasefire done India and Pakistan. Yes, war between India and Pakistan. He sees ceasefire. He says I am doing ceasefire between India and Pak. Yes. So, and our government, I mean Indian government, is definitely many more social media platform like X, Instagrams, yes, and Facebook, not Facebook, sorry, I cannot see on Facebook, but I see on X, yes, Twitter, yes, X account, guys. Yes. So guys, think about it. There is a very critical situation on Trump's, guys. Yes. And after some days, yes, I mean after May, I mean mid May, around 20, not mid, around 15 May to 25 May. Yes. He says, I talking about Trump. Yes, he says like he also also stop, I mean also ceasefire on Russia Ukraine war. Yes, but Putin, I mean Vladimir Putin, it means say to like I cannot stop war. Yes. And guys, Trump is the businessman. Yes, he say like a businessman. He think his mind on properly think about a businessman. Yes. uh, there are many example to identify it, guys. Yes, because last day he goes on Middle East visit. Yes, and he more trade advance booking. Yes, advance booking, like advance booking होता है ना, एडवांस बुकिंग. यस, he says like he take gifts, like gifts, personal air personal aeroplane. Yes, aeroplane, not aircraft. I mean personal spice jet, इसी तरह कुछ था. Yes, spice jet not aircraft, like personal spice jet, I mean aeroplane, personal aeroplane, like yes, around 500 crore. $5 million, sorry, not 500 crore, $5 million, like yes. I'm not sure exact price that planes, guys, that plane. Yes. And one thing, guys, yesterday, I mean 12th of June 2025, in India, guys, there is a very failure of our government. Yes, I only blame on government, guys. Yes, there is no situation to handle it, guys. I'm not 100% sure, but why it do, guys. I mean a plane crash on Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Yes, in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and around 242 members, including staff and pilots, crew member. Yes, and guys, around every person direct kill, direct firing on kill. I mean, firing it means like hit, fuels like blast. Yes, blast. And one person, yes, one person is live in this time. Yes, one person is here. Yes. So think about this, guys, think about it. Why why is I mean, there is a very luck factor. Yes, luck factor. वो कहता है ना, जिसका जब लिखा है तब ये जाएगा, सबका लिखल है, कहाँ कौन कब कहाँ जाएगा, ठीक है ना, कब किसका जीवन और मरण है, सबका लिखा हुआ है. यस. सो think about it and do proper work. And I request our Indian government, mm, please serious do serious work on all everybody's. Please check properly, guys, everyone's. I say not only government, our Indian government, I say for everyone's, guys, please work with honesty and with proper check. Yes, because this is the time to doing everything. I regularly repeat that this is the time to doing everything around whole life, because there are no any chances to repetition of any things. Yes, you know, I'm right or wrong, says on comment section. Yes, you told me on comment section. There is always open for you. Yes. Yes. Okay, then see you tomorrow on next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद और you guys.